LinkedIn ads can be a powerful tool for businesses to reach a professional audience and generate leads. While the primary purpose of LinkedIn ads is typically business promotion, there are a few indirect ways you can potentially make money online using LinkedIn ads. Promote your own products or services. If you have your own business products or services, you can leverage LinkedIn ads to reach a professional audience and drive traffic to your website or landing pages. Create targeted ad campaigns that highlight the value and benefits of your offerings. By optimizing your campaigns and effectively reaching your target audience, you can generate leads and increase sales. Lead generation. Use LinkedIn ads to promote lead magnets, such as ebooks, white papers, webinars, or industry reports. Offer valuable and relevant content that appeals to your target audience. Drive traffic to landing pages where visitors can provide their contact information in exchange for the lead magnet. Once you have their information, you can follow up with email marketing campaigns and potentially monetize those leads through product offerings or services. Consulting or professional services. If you provide consulting, coaching, or professional services in a specific industry or niche, LinkedIn ads can help you reach professionals who may be interested in your expertise. Create ad campaigns that highlight your skills, experience, and the value you provide. Target relevant professionals based on their job titles, industries, or company sizes to increase the likelihood of attracting potential clients. Promote webinars or online courses. If you offer webinars or online courses, LinkedIn ads can help you promote and fill your virtual events or courses. Showcase the value and benefits of attending or enrolling, and target professionals who would find the content valuable. By driving registrations or enrollments through LinkedIn ads, you can monetize your expertise and knowledge. Build your personal brand. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform, and by using LinkedIn ads strategically, you can increase your visibility and build your personal brand. This can open up opportunities for speaking engagements, consulting offers, collaborations, or even job offers. By consistently promoting your expertise and thought leadership through LinkedIn ads, you can position yourself as an authority in your field and attract monetization opportunities. Remember to align your LinkedIn ads strategy with your specific goals and target audience. Develop compelling ad content, use targeted audience segmentation, and continuously monitor and optimize your campaigns to maximize their effectiveness. LinkedIn ads can be a valuable tool in generating leads, establishing your professional presence, and ultimately creating monetization opportunities.